Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 24. As you can see, week 24 set up the same way we had week 22 and 23. I've got week 24 and 25 together because we have another assembly that we're going to be creating. So I have the parts, and then we have the assembly, and it's broken into those 2 weeks. So right now, you only have access to week 24. Now, the biggest difference this week is that you are going to be drawing the parts and then putting them in a border and title block with your name on it, the part name, and the 3 views when applicable, the 2 views if that works as well. So some you'll only need 2 views for, some you'll need more than 2, so you'll need the full 3 views. And then dimensioned, please. So this week's assignments, they're actually not too terrible, too detailed, but there are 5, and you can find the specifics on those underneath the 3.21 model train project file. So I'm going to open this up, and this is going to go over all the different parts that you have to create for this project. And then it also gives you the number of items, the quantity that will be needed, the name, and we don't really have to worry about the plastic, but here you can see an explosion of it, and they're all labeled so you can see which part is which. And then as you go through, you'll be working on those. So the train body, this is probably the most complicated of the set this week. I've got all your dimensions here, and you got some dimensions back here. Then you've got the stack, which not too terrible. The hitch magnet and hitch peg, again, not too terrible. And finally, the wheel for this week. You'll be drawing them in Onshape, creating a border and title block for them, giving me their views and dimensioning. That's what I want you to turn in. So if I go click on one of those assignments, you'll see that inside the assignment it asks you to do all that. Same kind of submission as last week. It says put in a border and title block and dimension it this time. And then you'll submit the photo of that border and title block down here for me to grade. Again, share with me and only me on Onshape. But those are the 5 assignments I have for you this week. Again, I don't think these will take you very long. This one will be the most detailed one that you will be creating. If you have any questions, obviously feel free to ask me. Otherwise, I will see you guys in class and hope you have a great day.